Gukirira cia kwenda mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi Nurdin Haji atigithio wira irabatira ogwakia wabici no ikirotwo ni gukorwo igitebeba matu-ini ma guciriria ekwirwo angero nene. Andu a nyumba ya muhuri biashara Tob Cohen makiuga matirona dalili cia kuona kihoto ona thengia ya gukorwo mari na uira wothe moko-ini megie kugia Cohen kira kiohanitwo na gicanjama kia mwikwirwo wa ngero ici mucirithania Sankale Ole Kantai.
We have filed the petition. It has been received pursuant to the provisions of the Kenyan law by the Public Service Commission. They have stamped. We have a copy to confirm that the petition is duly filed. The time has come when citizens should stand up and say this cannot proceed.
Marauga DPP yakoretwo na muthutukanio mutaratara-ini wa guthitanga ekwirwo na marekwira hari guoko kura mutindika niguo kunira ritho cira wa Tob Cohen.
It's not a matter to be taken lightly as it affects direct lives of each and every citizen of Kenya. And more so, it's like we no longer have faith in the office of the Director of Public Prosecution. And it's not that the office of the Director of Public Prosecution cannot discharge its mandate, but there should be an uproot of those public service individuals who are not able to carry out their mandate.
Mawakiri aria mehotoreire ndeto ino marauga ni mekirire nganja uruti wira wa Haji na makanyitirira ati mari na wira wa macira maria onanitie gutebeba na gucungiriria mekururie.
Let me give you a chronology of some of the files that are live. It is an offense, a statutory offense. The directors and shareholders should not have more than 25% of the shareholding. The lawyer for one of the accused people writes a letter to the Director of Public Prosecution and informs the Director of Public Prosecution that this matter is lying before a civil court. Out of that notice, contrary to Article 157 that says the Director of Public Prosecution cannot be directed by anybody, the Director of Public Prosecution writes a letter terminating the prosecution, charging of the directors of Direct Line.
Mawakiri ya 10 marauga uthuthuria wao ramuonio gwati uria ukomete wabici-ini ya mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi na makongerera ati Haji ndari na rutha rwa kuhinga fairo cia thitango tikihota gwitia thuthuria kuma nja gutua matua megie cira wa njoragano cia Cohen na ati ruhi rwake rwa kihoto rira rubatie kurengana miena yeri rurarengana mwena umwe.
But what happens to other people in this country who have genuine criminal complaints but they cannot have these individuals prosecuted through a private prosecutor?
Ihoya-ini riake mwari wa nyina na Cohen, Gabriel Van Straten, arauga cira wa muru wa nyina wikururitie kumana na kwa guthitangwo kwa Ole Kantai.
This is why we are here today. We are not going to keep quiet about it. When we have a case whereby evidence is so clear and the DPP pretends to be an ostrich and puts his head in the sand, then you begin realizing again we also need to take action.
We urge His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, the Commander-in-Chief, to act with speed. His legacy is at stake.
Riu kiria gitanyitwo ni gweterera macokio ma Haji mbere ya commission ino. Ngiribotera Inooro TV. Njitagwo Julius Karithi wa